Hi, I'm Lewis from Multihull Company. Today we're aboard Palooza, a beautiful Catana 41 that's just come on the market. Let's go and have a look and see what this bluewater catamaran has to offer. "41 feet in length, a draft of less than 3 feet, and an ICW-friendly mast that's just under 64 feet allows for limitless exploration." When you're out on the water, the twin outboard helms, the light stiff sandwich construction, narrow bows at the waterline, 8-foot dagger boards and folding propellers help achieve superb sailing performance. The deck itself features an electric winch for raising and lowering the dinghy, sturdy handrails and handholds, an A-frame sheeting system for improved control over mainsail shape, and lines that all run aft to an electric winch. This 3-cabin Catana model has been consistently maintained and upgraded. Palooza had new 40 horsepower Volvo engines installed in 2018, and more recently new throttles, new standing rigging, a new generator, completely new 12-volt DC air conditioning units in all 3 cabins, new inverters and extensive electrical upgrades, and a new anchor chain. Other amenities include a propane grill, aqua-based water maker, hot water heater, a brand new 3-burner stove with oven, and a deck wash with either freshwater or saltwater rinse and underhull lights. You'll take advantage of a 1 kilowatt solar panel unit situated on an adjustable frame to charge a 600 amp hour lithium battery bank. The forward-facing navigation station uses Garmin instruments, radar, and a fusion stereo system to keep any operator comfortable and confident at the helm. For a well-maintained catamaran in pristine condition, outfitted for long-distance voyaging, contact myself, Lewis, at the Multihull Company. I look forward to chatting to you.